Alright, let me show you one simple way to add an appendix to a Word document. First thing you want to do is create a section break. Go to the page layout, so layout right over here at the top. Then click on breaks. This is small one right here. From the drop-down menu, you will see several section break options. You can start a new section on the same page, on the next page, and or even force it to begin on the next odd or even page. For this example, we will go with this next page. This create a brand new page just for the appendix. At the top of the page, I will type that one, appendix. And what we can do now is I will go to the Home tab and select heading 1. To make it stand out, I will center this with center right here, and I will size a little bit like so. Now under that, I will press enter again, and I will type in appendix A, then shift enter, and I will tap some, I will here example test 1. Then after that, press enter and type appendix B and shift enter, and we can do example test 2. So next we can now highlight all of this with the same style as the title, like so. Now if I want that they grow a little bit, we can use here this button, increase font size, so we can size it a little bit or downsize it as we wish. For a bit of extra style, I will go to the Insert tab. So here, click on Shapes and choose Lines, like so. When I click and drag, I will hold the Shift key, that it's narrow so that it's in a line. Now I will try to show you like that. Shape of line, I will give it a green, that it's visible. And that's really it at the end of the day. And an appendix is just extra information that supports your document. How you design it depends entirely on what you need, but this is one simple and clean way to add an appendix in Microsoft Word. So if this helped you out, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.